So I just finished making my little toaster sandwich, and I haven't had this in about, it's been at least like 4 months. At least, but I'm pretty sure it's been like 6 months. I haven't had this in a minute, in a long little time. I'm actually eating this as my lunch today. For breakfast, I just had fruit, but oh, I am starving today. So good. If you make toaster sandwiches for breakfast or lunch, dinner, whatever, go ahead and drop it down below. What do you put on it? Mine is super simple. 2 fried eggs, 2 pieces of bacon, and a piece of cheese. And that's it. So good. The light on my camera just went out, so I need to charge it a little bit. So I will see y'all when I'm done eating. So I've been off of social media about, I think it's been 7 days now. And y'all, I just seriously needed a break. And I got me some more pillowcases. These are a little lighter than the ones that I currently have, but it'll do. It'll do. Yeah, y'all. So I had to take about a week off of social media because it was just becoming too much. Everything with like the Epstein files, World War III. Never thought I'd say that, but you know. So it's just a lot going on. I just needed to decompress. You know what I mean? But I did want to get back on here because I wanted to ask y'all, how are y'all feeling? Are y'all okay? Because the world is going to you know what I'm saying? It's a lot going on. But yeah, y'all go ahead, drop it in the comments. Are y'all doing okay? How's work going? And that's another, I can't believe we're still working. You know. These are so different. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to buy another one. These are just a little, these are way too light. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but this one's way darker, and I like this color a little bit more. But I do need a pillowcase, so we're just gonna have this one on here until I can find a better one, a better fit. And it barely fits over the pillow, like barely fits. So yeah, we're gonna have to send this back and get another one. Yeah, I don't even think I'm asleep on this tonight. I think I'm gonna take it off in a second. I don't know what it is about toaster sandwiches, but every time I eat them, I just get sleepy afterwards. Crazy. Do me a favor, y'all. If you have seen the movie Heart Eyes, is that what it's called? Heart Eyes? I think it's called Heart Eyes. Yeah. If you've seen that movie, drop it down in the comments. No spoilers, but is it good? Should I watch it? So y'all know Scream is like my favorite scary movie franchise. Scream 7 just came out, and no spoilers because I haven't seen it yet, y'all, but I'm scared to go see it. I feel like it's just gonna ruin the entire franchise for me. Like, why did they do that? Like, the Carpenter sisters, I need them in there. Like, what? Can't you just bring them, make us love them, and then just take them away? You know what I'm saying? Weird. But yeah, y'all, I didn't want too much. I just know it's been a week and I haven't been on here, so I just wanted to come on and say hey to y'all. I'm doing okay. I'm fine. It's just a lot going on in the world, and I just didn't even want to be on social media at all. I didn't feel like filming. I feel like I'm supposed to be doing more than just going to work. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I want to thank y'all so much for chilling with me for this quick video. Thank you so much. I will see y'all in the next video. Again, be safe out there, and go ahead and drop it in the comments how y'all are doing. See you in the next video. Bye, y'all.